Hey guys, welcome back to this video series about Hexo. This is a quick video about adding Nofollow plugin to your site so that all the links on the site, except the ones you exclude, are now Nofollow. So pretty much before I install this plugin or show the plugin, I'll just show you what I mean. So currently, for instance, this link here, so this link is just linking back to one of my websites, as you can see in the bottom left. So if we actually have a look at the page source, we'll currently have a look, just find the link. Here it is. So pretty much this link here, this is obviously the source. The relationship is just no opener. So this currently pretty much means it defaults to being a follow link. So if a search engine was to see this link, it would follow onto this website. Now for SEO reasons, some people might not want that, so this is what this plugin is for. So pretty much all you have to do is install the plugin. Just go ahead and do that here. And for you guys who are wondering, this is how you do a link in markdown. Now, there is, just to double check that it has been installed. Where is it? There you go. So that's installed there. Now there is a little bit of configuration to get this to work properly. So just under our config, we just add this tag, Nofollow, enabled, and then field you can do it site-wide. You can change it to post as well. However, for this tutorial we'll just use this. We'll just use site, and then exclude any domains that you want the links to be a follow on. You just add them here. So pretty much for this part of the tutorial, I'll just be using these two. So I go to my config, and then just add in a link section, add that in, and now that should be good to go. So if I push this up to my repo, alright, so that should be pushed up to our repo now. Also, I'll add this link into the description of the video. Okay, so that should be deployed now. If we just refresh the page, that should be done. Alright, so if we have a look at the page source again, scroll down to our link, it should just be here. We can now see that the relationship is now Nofollow, which means no search engines will actually follow onto this link. Now, for instance, let's say we want to make this a follow again, because this is for any link that we post, it's always going to be a nofollow unless we exclude it. So going off the documentation here, all we have to do is copy in an exclude argument. So we'll just add that to our config file and add in our domain. So for instance, this only works for this domain. So if I had a link that was on, say for instance, the domain say test, it's then for this subdomain only. So the link would, in our post here, this would be a nofollow. However, if we just take away the subdomain, it will make this a follow again, just for this domain. So it is specific for subdomains and root domains. So that's just one thing to note. So go ahead and push that back up. Wait for that to build. So that should be built by now. So we refresh that, and our link's still there. So if we check the page source, then we scroll down to our link, whereabouts, here it is. It has now reverted back to a follow link. So that's pretty much all you have to do for any links on your page. So hopefully that was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.